if you go, come back, eh? No, 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 you remember me now. See, I'm begging you now, you remember me. You remember me. You remember me. So when only I'll tell your daughter will not be the one to drive you back home. Because if you don't come back, it will not be good. Okay? Mighty name of Jesus. Guys, you force of darkness. I want to cover Maureen and the mother. Out! Okay! Wicked spirits. Okay! In the name of Jesus Christ. God! Fire! In the name of Jesus Christ. God. Bring it. Fire! In the name of Jesus Christ. Okay! Okay! You power that cover Maureen. I break the yoke. I break the yoke. I break. Oh, just be quiet. Fire in the name of Jesus Christ. Hey! Hey! Lose the children. Hey! Sit down. Fire in the name of Jesus Christ. The Lord break all of them. Amen. Fire in the name of Jesus Christ. Fire! The power that is fighting the business of the village. Power that is fighting the glory of the family, the glory of this woman. I know you. Hey, stand there. Stand still. Stand. Stand. Maureen. Hey. Maureen. You will not follow the pattern of your mother. You will marry now. Release husband to you. Mighty name of Jesus. Mighty name of Jesus. Maureen, you and your family must experience breakthrough. At the count of 3, breakthrough. 1, 2. I'm losing all the things that tie the family now. The breakthrough by the sacrifice in the altar. Break up! Jesus Christ. Hey, open. Now, I command men everywhere, men and women. I command customers. And now, for your business. Light in the children, light in the family. The mighty name of Jesus Christ. Take it, take it. Take light. Take it now. Jesus Christ. Take light. Let it be light. There will be the delay. The mighty name of Jesus. The mighty name of Jesus. The name of Jesus Christ. The yoke breaker. Burden lifter. The cost breaker. Free. Let your business encounter dollars. Naira. Million. Voice of God. Amen. Your presence will become the presence of God. Take it. Take it. Take it. Spirit of delay, disappointment, struggle, shame, evil. God, fire in the name of Jesus. The spirit of tears following you and the house. Everybody out of claim your baby from me. I twat it. Then, fire everywhere. Fire everywhere. Fire everywhere. Fire everywhere. Fire everywhere. Fire everywhere. Yeah. Fire everywhere. Fire everywhere. Fire. Fire everywhere. Fire. Fire everywhere. Fire. Fire. Fire everywhere. Fire. Fire everywhere. Fire. You break your hold from her now. At the count of 3, I break you all. Break of fire. 1, go. 2, go. 3, leave the body and return no more. In the name of Jesus Christ, leave the body now. Leave the body, leave the body, leave the body, leave the body. Oh yeah, walk out like the animal you are. Out of where you came from. Go, go, go.